my channel. My name is Veena, and in this video I will be showing you how to treat your dry, dull and frizzy hair at home and make them soft, smooth and silky. So let's see what are the ingredients you will need. Take a spray bottle and add in around 2 to 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel. Take a aloe vera leaf and extract gel from it and use it, or use ready-made aloe vera gel. Here I am using Patanjali aloe vera gel. Now add equal amount of water into the spray bottle. Shake it well and our solution is ready to use. Now brush your hair well, detangle all the tangles and knots and spray this solution on your scalp and hair. Leave it on for good 1 hour. After sitting for an hour, rinse the gel off from mild shampoo. Aloe vera deeply cleanses oily hair, strengthens and repairs hair, removes itchiness and dandruff from our hair, and promotes hair growth and also conditions the hair. Aloe vera has lots of benefits in it, so try this spray for twice a week for healthy, smooth and shiny hair. For watching. If you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.